Hi Sanju, I hope you will enjoy this birthday and you will enjoy this video too. I want to share you few things about your birthday and from the childhood of yours. And first of all, I want to tell you that wishing the happiest birthday to the special little champ of our family. And I want to say few things about you and me, and I have to share few words about this special day and wonderful day. You mean the absolute world to me, Sanju. You may be grown up, you may be old enough to drive a car or a bike, if you have a friends, chit chat, conversations, whatever may be, but you haven't changed a bit. You will always be a little champ. And I always thought that the day when I become a big sister was the happiest day of my life. But since then, we have shared so many great and precious moments in our life. It is very hard to choose just one, darling. I also want to thank you for showering these many love on me, and thanks for supporting me in all ups and downs of my life. And I truly want to say that our bonding is very stronger than any other. And I want to say that that when I hold you in my hands, it was a most memorable moment in my life. I think I was just 10 years old when I lift you on my shoulders. We have 10 years of age difference, but still we both are like a Tom and Jerry. And really, I want to say that our bonding is very stronger than any other. I don't believe in superheroes from fantasy because I live with the one who is my superhero, and that's you, my dear. I felt the real motherhood when I lift you on my shoulders. I don't know whether I was your perfect sister, but for me you are the perfect brother in the world. You always motivate me whenever I feel down and hopeless. Having a perfect brother like you is privileged for us, and not everyone can have, I think. Indeed, I'm a lucky sister for sure. I knew that. No matter how much you grow up and get taller than me, you will always my cute little brother forever. I want our old and golden days back. Sanju, I hope you remember that I will sing a song to make you sleep. I will feed you food. I will make you ready for the school. I will teach you for your tests, and I will do everything for you in our olden days. Really, it's an awesome memorable days. I want those days back, and I want to say that you are not a brother for me. You're my first little sweet son forever. Age doesn't matter in between us. Always you're my darling Patukutti. You are the precious gift I got from mom and dad on 26 June 2006. I never ever forget this date in my life. It is a most memorable day of my life. And you know that we are June July babies. How many siblings will have like this birth month? We are very unique in this, and I love everything is unique, and I got you a unique brother in the world. And I want to say that when the sister brings you from the ward and gave you in my hand, it is a priceless moment in my life. That day I was speechless. I want to share these things with you. I want you as my son. And my brother and my everything. You know, you played a different roles in my life as a brother, father, elder brother, friend, enemy, teacher, well-wisher, etc., etc. But you are always my partner in crime and outing partner ever, and also my cameraman when in on screen and off screen too. I didn't do anything without you, Sanju, in these past 14 years. But today I was alone for doing these many surprises for you. Uh, I don't want to be alone for any cause, but what to do for this surprise and memorable day? I want to be alone. I have to work alone for this day. I know that whenever I work for anything, you will always be there with me. And for this alone, I'm being alone. I don't feel for this also. And anyway, I want to wish you from my bottom of the heart, wishing you a many more happy returns of the day, Sanjay. Have a blast birthday ever. I want to give you many surprises on this special day, and we have to celebrate this special occasion. I never miss this day, and in my future, in my whole life, I never ever miss this day, Sanju. I will always be with you. Be strong, be safe, and I will always be with you. Your Akka is always be with you, Sanju. I love you lots and with lots of kisses. Take care. Have a blast birthday ever.